In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo Transfer Cancelled Automatically. So it's one way about your transfer being cancelled automatically or you wanting to cancel it. So if your transfer is cancelled automatically, it may be because an error on your end or on the receiver's end. So you need to actually make sure which end has the problem. So typically it's your end because you may not have sufficient funds for that. So if you actually just want to cancel a Venmo payment that you have made and it's not canceled automatically, you can head over and then make sure to provide specific steps right here. If you sent payment to stranger, or if you sent payment to wrong friend, or if your payment is pending, you can contact the Venmo support to ask for their help. Now, if you actually made an accidental duplicate payment, what you can do is you can contact as well their support team. If you paid for a scam, you can also contact them, and if you receive payment from a stranger, you can also contact Venmo. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.